Legato Heights is now on the 12th floor, and every new level is reducing the number of units available.
Hello.
Hello, Engineer Lawrence.
Hi.
Good to see you.
Me too.
What's the progress for this month?
Yes, as usual, we are getting ready to cast the 12th floor.
Great.
Yes. So, steel works and decking and carpentry work are seriously, going on for the 12th floor to be cast in 2 weeks' time. At the moment, we are working in the stairwell as well. Plastering in the stairwell is up to the 6th floor, and then the block work partitions for the apartments is also at the 7th floor at the moment.
Oh, that's some great improvement.
Exactly.
So what should we expect next month?
Next month, by this time, the 13th floor should also be ready to be cast.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
You too.
Legato Heights is moving quickly, but there is still time for you to secure a unit that fits your lifestyle or investment goals. With flexible payments plans and prices starting at $116,000, VAT inclusive, ownership is more accessible than ever. Speak to our team today and secure your unit before the next phase reduces availability again. Follow us on all our social media platforms. My name is Sandra Edupoku, a property consultant with VAL Real Estate Ghana.